So guys, good afternoon. We're here today at Music Manila 2026 with Team Angkla. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung kaganapan today dito sa ating tour. So yearly namin ginagawa to. Right now tumutugtog, nagtetest yung mga speakers natin. So yearly natin siyang ginagawa to showcase kung anong meron sa Music Manila. So it's also time para may educate namin yung mga bago naming crew, bago naming staff. Then pinapakilala yung mga audio equipments, mga lighting equipments. And then yearly dito din kami bumibili because they're on sale. So the other suppliers na regular na pinagbibili namin, nandito sila. And then naglo-launch sila ng mga latest products, mga innovations ganyan na magagamit natin sa ating events. So samahan nyo kami for today, exploring Music Manila 2026 with Team Angkla or Anchor Mix Lights and Sounds. Pasing. So guys, we're inside World Trade Center. So maglalagin lang tayo or magre-register. So we're done with our registration. QR code lang siya. So ngayon dediretso lang tayo dito para may pakita natin. So we have 2 tickets. Dito lang siya. So this is the registration area. So we'll just have to show yung ating QR code. Hello. Okay lang, nagpa-vlog? Sorry. So i-scan lang natin siya. So magpapakita siya rito, guys. So that's for me. And then we also have another one. So ganito yung tsura ng QR code, guys. So if you want, you can register online. And then this is the next one. So scan ulit natin. And then your name will appear here. So makikita na nag-register talaga kayo. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And then from here, of course, pwede na tayong pumasok sa loob. So we're going inside the halls na, no? So Music Manila Expo. We'll have to show it to the guard lang that we have this. Hello. Okay, so guys, so inside, syempre, ang dami niya, no? We have JB Music. Iba-iba pa. We have Yamaha here. Tapos Metatech is here as well. Tentech, of course. Nandyan din siya. Mga LED wall yan, mga visuals. So, malawak siya, guys. Let's check this aisle. Grabe to. This is called the Follow Spotlight. Where this one is huge. Kita nyo. Laki niya. So, we have different Follow Spotlights here. Ito pa. Ganda na ito pag mga mega concerts na yan. So, may mga music instruments here. They have, of course, Yamaha music, mga drums and all. Ayan siya. So, mga ilaw, check natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating makita. And then later on, I think si boss, bibili si boss ng, ng equipments. So, tignan natin kung ano yan. Pero napaunahan na niya kasi tayo because we have, I think he bought a few Mac Auras. So, may mga audio din inside. We've got Dawson here. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Iba-ibang line array ng sound. Sync, of course, is here. Yan. Lights. Punta tayo sa lights. Wave. We got it from Colin Tan. Iwasan mo lang itutok yung camera sa lasers. Kasi pwede nilang yan. So beatbox, of course, andyan. And then may gusto akong makita eh. Hanapin natin yung booth ng BLTG. Mocha, nandito din. Of course, yung mga gamit natin, mga Mocha din. We've got Mochas na nasa natin warehouse. Ayun, grabe yung ito din natawag na upward smoke. So ayan siya guys. Yan yung mga pang concert na, pang malakihan na talaga. So let's check the others here. Ito mga moving heads. Grabe magpausok si LED wall, of course. So dito may mga Bebe, dami ring ngayon, may BTV pa dito. Hindi ko makita yung VLTG. Baka nasa kabilang side siya. Try natin hanapin. Tara. Sa dulong part yun. Moving heads. May mga mangilan na rin akong tropang nakita kanina. Yung iba later pa or tomorrow. 3 days event pala to guys, no? It started today and tomorrow and then the next day. So you all have the time, no? Kahit maulan, try and visit lang. Baka may magustuhan kayo, may makita kayo. Most especially for our Lights and Sounds friends, mga suppliers ng Lights and Sounds. So nakidaan na rin tayo dito. Ganda na itong amber light na to. Yan yung ginagamit nating stage light. Silent noises here. Dami actually. Ito may food court area. Ito pala yung hinahanap natin. Ito pala yung hinahanap namin. So, daan tayo sa beatbox kasi ang galing ng setup lagi dito. Last time yung bumababa na mga boxes na may LED wall. This time check natin kung anong meron sa kanila. Ayun yun yung box na nakikita mo. Sobrang solid talaga ng beatbox to. Diba? Kita mo yun, no? Yung laser. So guys, if ever abutin kayo ng gutom, may mga food trip sila dito. Hanap lang kami ng food tripin namin. Rice meal siguro. Ayan. So rice meal. Baby, ito gusto mo. Sama natin si baby girl. Drinks and sticks. They also have mga merienda. They have rice meals as well. Tapos ito kainan. Yan siya guys. Sobrang solid ng Music Manila this year.